Do you want to be a better card maker? Do you get bogged down watching too many videos, either live or surfing on Pinterest, and you never actually get time to get into your craft area and make cards? Let me show you how you can get away from all of the distractions and get back to doing cards. Get back to making handmade items that you can give to people that you love. It's a 7-part video class, and look at all of the designs that I show you either how to make or just as alternatives in this class. There's a ton of them. I guarantee you'll be a better card maker after watching 1 or 2 or all 7 of these videos. You're going to create along with me, and you're going to do some secret stamping. What if you can't do the class right now? Don't worry about it. You have lifetime access, so you can watch it as many times as you want, whenever you want. This will get you back to the beginning, whether you are a beginner or if you've been stamping and card making for a long time. Click that button now and get immediate access to your Back to Basics for Card Makers online class.